Guys, some people don't know the kind of food to cook on their daily basis. Why? Because maybe you've never come across this channel, guys. Because we bring a lot of recipes here. Not only that, we bring recipes, the healthy ones that can better you. So some people say, as in they have been eating regular kind of food and it's kind of tiring. You need to change the pattern, change different calibers of food so that you can have appetite eating. So guys, if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, please kindly do. God bless you. Guys, what did we have in stock today? Guys, this is kind of food some people never crave eating. They basically rush to buy unripe plantain, the one that can taste so sugar for them. Guys, we are not against that, but what this platform is preaching is eating healthy, and staying healthy. So which kind of recipe that you can grab, which gonna better you, guys? So I just brought this one for you guys today, especially those getting advanced. You want to be eating the kind of food that when you look at yourself in the mirror, you be as in notice you are looking age 10 years, 10 more years age gap, you know, 10 more 10 years younger. You be looking 10 years more younger. Why? Because you know what you fuel your body with. So guys, if you don't know this, kindly watch this video from the beginning to the end. Why you guys don't learn is because you skip video a lot. When you settle down to watch video, and we probably trying to make it to be 8 minutes 8 minutes video, so that it will not be too prolonged. So please kindly be watching the video from the beginning to the end. God bless you. So this is the most easiest recipe a busy mom can prepare, working class people can prepare. Are you rushing looking for a kind of food that is very busy, not the one you can cook like 1 hour 2 hours and that can better you? This is it. As in unripe plantain come airly. So if you feel like you can't eat unripe plantain just like that because it doesn't taste sweet, I'm gonna also show you on how to go about to prepare it so that you can be able to eat it. So help me to cut your plantain in a smaller choice. Depends how firm you want it to be. Cut it, wash it. It doesn't take time. All these healthy stuff, healthy recipes doesn't take time. It's only this one that can better you is the one you can stay 1 hour 2 hours. Still, after vegetable, preparing veggies doesn't take time. Let's if you make it take time. Okay, cut your or plantain, wash it, put in a pot. Don't fry anything. Add your crayfish, add your maggi, add your salt, add your pepper. Guys, add red oil. I encourage you to use red oil. Firstly, add unripe one. After adding, you cook it like a minute before you add the ripe one. So that's the easiest way to go about cooking it. Mind you that plantain comes airly. Go and google your google. Let it not be that you hear from my voice. Guys, go and hear from the horse's mouth what plantain does. Guys, but due to this one, the ripe one come they come naturally sweet. So that's why we don't always buy the idea of eating it always. Guys, that's why I combine the unripe and ripe one so that the sweetness will reduce. If you are getting advanced, this is the kind of food to be eating. So cook this like 5 or 7 minutes. What else will you add? If you have meat, you can add. The most important healthy stuffs to add here again is your scent leaf. because we are preaching about healthy cooking and healthy eating. So add your scent leaf, allow it to cook like a second, then add your epina. I didn't say go and cook vegetables soup. That's not what we are cooking. What we are making is plantain. Two combination of plantain, ripe and unripe. So add your epina. After adding it, that's the time you're gonna take your pot down. Because if you go further cooking, it means that you are making it not to be okay again. Because vegetable gonna be so soft. Guys, aren't you seeing what we present here? Guys, it's giving. So our food is ready. What did you think? Does this take you 1 hour? Not at all, but kind of healthy. So this is kind of food you need to be eating. This can help your body grow. It can build you from inside out. We are not making a health claims. We go with the experience based on this kind of thing we've been eating. Guys, you can put this down in your timetable so that you see what to be eating on your daily basis. So after eating this one now, you've bettered yourself. So go ahead to prepare it in this way. And let me also know the method you go about cooking your unripe plantain. Don't just basically fry in it. Guys, read this recipe for me. So then again, guys, we preach about eating healthy. What about staying healthy? What else can help you to stay healthy? Guys, taking a workout every day. Even if it is not every day because of your busy schedule. Guys, 3 times or 2 times per week. Go out there. This is gonna help to refresh you inside out as well. So when you combine the healthy eating and taking a workout, the result we say is safe. So that's what this platform is talking about. So, and I've been doing the two. It has been bettering me. Eating healthy and staying healthy. Know what to fuel your body with. Don't just grab anything and be eating. We are not condemning any food, or eating right is the best. So guys, view this nature with me. I'm currently in garden. This garden, everything is there, both the rake, both the pool. So it depends how the one your eyes reach. Thanks for watching and let me know what you think.